In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Looker dashboard using a step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Sharing your Looker dashboard can be an essential task when you need to collaborate with team members or present data findings. So, let's dive right into it and make sure you have the know-how to effortlessly share your dashboards. First, you'll want to head over to Looker Studio. This is your starting point for managing and accessing all your reports. Make sure you're logged in because this will take you directly to your reports listing. Once you're there, look through your reports and identify the specific one you want to share. It's usually a good idea to have a clear title for your reports to make this step quicker. Now, click on the report document you've chosen. This action opens up the report, allowing you to access all its sharing functionalities. When the report is open, quickly navigate your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button that says Share. Clicking this button opens up your sharing options. This is where you'll define who gets to see the wonderful data insights you've compiled. In the pop-up that appears, you'll find a section to add people or groups. Simply type in their email addresses. This feature is particularly helpful if you want to restrict access to only specific individuals or groups, ensuring control over who can view your dashboard. Next, you have the option to adjust link sharing settings. Although this step is optional, it's worth considering if you want to either broaden or narrow the accessibility of your report. Here, you can decide whether your report remains restricted or is available to a broader audience. If you're deciding between these options, think about the sensitivity of the data and who it needs to reach. Remember, adjusting link sharing is not mandatory, but it's critical if you want your report either published publicly or restricted only to selected users. With these options, balance your need for data security with accessibility. After you've configured the permissions and sharing options to your liking, click on Copy Link. This step is where you either send them a direct link or allow recipients to receive an email notification granting access to the dashboard. If you've got colleagues eagerly awaiting this data, an email might be the faster route to ensure it lands directly in their inbox. And there we have it. You've successfully shared your Looker dashboard. Whether it's for collaboration, reporting, or simply showcasing insights, you should now have complete confidence in sharing your dashboard securely and efficiently. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe for more insights on utilizing Looker Studio and other powerful data tools.